Hello, everyone! A massive 7.4 magnitude earthquake shook the Philippines, causing the Earth itself to appear as though it were flowing in waves. For a moment, it might look like fish are raining down. The real explanation is a truck accident in India that left hundreds of live fish scattered across the road. A man dances among stranded sardines in Kerala, India, but behind the unusual scene is a growing concern about increasingly severe weather and its impact on marine life.
Wow!
Thousands of starlings gathered above a Texas parking lot, creating a dark, swirling cloud that seemed to move with a mind of its own. Thousands of tiny larvae combine into a single moving formation, creating a snake-like shape that helps confuse potential predators. At Mirimbula Beach, thick smoke from nearby wildfires transformed the daylight sky into a glowing orange canopy. In Sana'a, Yemen, a massive cloud appeared to touch the ground, creating a breathtaking scene that looks straight out of a fantasy movie.
I just finished this carving in cherry driftwood.
What was once a piece of driftwood has been transformed into a breathtaking sculpture through exceptional craftsmanship and creativity. This incredible moment shows how much activity can be hidden beneath seemingly calm waters. Hair standing straight up, crackling sounds in the air, and electrically charged objects. This rare event in Xinjiang looked like something straight out of a science fiction movie. After intense rainfall, underground water pressure forced springs to emerge through the desert surface in Oman, creating a rare and fascinating spectacle.
See if I can get that. just coming out that one part. That's it. It's only coming out the one part.
Okay, so we got any quarries, look out down there, look there.
Oh.
Oh, there it comes.
This incredible scene shows water freezing almost instantly in the desert due to extremely low temperatures. What begins as liquid quickly transforms into ice in a matter of seconds. It looks like snow, silk, and spider webs all at once, but it's actually an army of caterpillars taking over the trees.
ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਮੱਕੜੀ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਗਲਤ ਹੋ ਅਸਲ ਵਿੱਚ
These towering clouds demonstrate the incredible energy contained within severe thunderstorms, producing a breathtaking and intimidating sight.
Passando aqui, não aguentei não, tive que filmar isso aqui, cara. O cara montou 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lojas num espacinho de 2 metros, cara. A minha curiosidade foi como que ele faz pra subir lá pra cima, mano. Quase que eu fiquei ali o dia inteiro esperando ele chegar só pra perguntar.
Hidden beneath the icy waters of Antarctica, Geological gigantea is a reminder of how little we still know about life in the deep ocean. The Tyndall effect turned ordinary sunlight into visible columns of light, creating a scene that looked almost heavenly above Qingdao. When danger approaches, the surface of the hive suddenly comes alive as thousands of bees move in perfect coordination to create a moving wave. Thousands of mosquitoes gathered in extremely dense swarms, forming a massive brown tornado near Lake Nicaragua, the largest freshwater lake in Central America.
That is wild. Have you ever seen?
How did he even manage to do that? It looks almost impossible at first glance. A group of climbers in Japan found themselves caught in a landslide zone after an unexpected earthquake shook the region, forcing them to navigate hazardous mountain conditions.
Look, see all these red boxes.
Dude, that's the crazy. Oh, that kid just got fucked.
Did you see that kid? He went off it and he just pulled him back.
Did you get that?
A massive pillar of light suddenly appeared in the sky over Shenyang, China, leaving residents stunned as a towering beam seemed to rise into the clouds, creating an otherworldly and almost surreal sight. Powerful flood currents swept through Saudi Arabia's drainage channels, carrying debris and sand while briefly reshaping the desert into a network of rushing water flows. This African species is known for forming massive foraging flocks that can stretch across vast areas of the sky, making it one of the most numerous wild birds ever recorded. A rare two-headed wolf snake found in Odisha, India, has drawn attention due to its unusual condition, where both heads are functional but often struggle to coordinate. This unusual sight at Mount Etna occurs when pressurized volcanic gases are released in a controlled burst, forming perfect ring-shaped clouds in the sky.
Просто посмотрите. Я как будто на Марсе каком-то грибу. И вот эта вся труда.
Known as the Dragon Tide, the Chantang River's tidal bore produces fast-moving waves that can reach impressive heights and speeds as they push upstream. Following Cyclone Gita, heavy rainfall destabilized slopes in Canterbury, causing a rock flow that moved enormous amounts of debris downslope, severing roads and isolating farmland. A man in Wadebridge, Cornwall captured a mini tornado sweeping across a field as it moved toward his property, scattering cut hay across his garden in the process. Heavy rain in China eroded the road base, causing hidden rocks to push through the asphalt surface. This spectacular scene captures the moment floodwaters generated a huge whirlpool at Narmada Dam, giving the illusion of a giant dome rising from the river. In Soda Springs, Idaho, a unique geothermal system releases carbon dioxide-rich water that can appear like fizzy soda flowing from the ground, creating a striking natural spectacle. Reindeer are highly social animals, and their circular herd movement is believed to help reduce predator risk while maintaining cohesion in freezing environments. Unlike traditional cleaning methods, laser rust removal is a non-contact process that reduces waste and avoids the use of harmful chemicals. Viral footage from China shows a fast-moving mud flow sweeping down a slope, reshaping farmland and turning the landscape into a rushing brown current. The ground shook violently as a powerful earthquake struck Japan, sending tremors across cities and forcing people to react instantly.
Watching like all these men standing around, and she throws me her phone and her drink in her bag. She's like, "Hold this," and she's just diving on in. I think a lot of people were very hesitant because nobody really knew what it was.
Locals and visitors at Cabo San Lucas were surprised to find a giant oarfish stranded on the beach and worked together to return it to the sea.
As soon as she saw that it was dying,
The sudden mass movement of millipedes in Taiwan created an unsettling scene, with insects spreading rapidly and causing widespread alarm. The sheer density of mosquitoes created an almost impenetrable barrier, making it impossible for visitors in Russia to continue their journey on foot. What looked like ordinary muddy ground turned into a funny scene online, as the soft surface reminded viewers of a dessert-like texture. Belonging to the brittle star group, basket stars use their complex arms for feeding in deep water environments, making them one of the most visually striking echinoderms. Visitors at Barceloneta Beach witnessed a rare and dramatic shelf cloud sweeping across the horizon, signaling the arrival of severe weather conditions.
I've seen some really creepy stuff, but nothing like this.
The strange sight in Fresno looked almost unnatural, as wind patterns created a brief moment where a palm branch appeared frozen in midair. The Falcon 9 rocket produced a dramatic jellyfish plume, visible from the ground due to sunlight scattering off the upper atmosphere exhaust trail. The spillway at Belonja Lake functions as a controlled water release system, stabilizing the lake's level and protecting surrounding areas from flooding.
How you can zoom in.
That's trippy as fuck.
Get one of this one with the light on it.
These clear, jelly-like eggs are similar to salamander eggs, staying moist and safe from predators.
How did you see that?
Something that stands out.
Oh, hold on, you moved it.
After breaking through the ice on the lake and igniting it, the man triggered an unusual and captivating phenomenon.
Get it. Woo, guys, yeah! You probably all heard that.
Yeah, how about yes?
साइड जा दोस्त साथ करो बाकी गाड़ी करो पीछे ओ भाई पहुंच भाई जल्दी कर रहा पापा इधर स्टार्ट कर.
A powerful avalanche struck a road in Himachal Pradesh, with tourists seen rushing to safety in a dramatic and unsettling scene.
Go back, go back. Pawan, go back. 是铁的。
我也好矮。
哎？啊？这树叶嘛是石头的嘛是铁的，这是啥子？
Dense sea foam blanketed the shoreline of Sea Point, Cape Town, forming a white, snow-like layer believed to be triggered by rough seas and organic decay in the water. Four powerful waterspouts formed in unison over the waters off Koh Liep, Thailand, descending from swirling dark storm clouds.
ที่เกาะลีเป๊ะนะครับจังหวัดสตูลบ้านเรา
A bizarre tornado-like dark cloud rolled over a beach in Vietnam, surprising tourists who witnessed the scene.
Thanks for sticking with us till the end. Drop your feedback in the comments. We're always looking to improve. See you next video.